My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Seat Alhambra. This vehicle has done just over 64,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. As we step inside, we can see the Alhambra comes with 7 seats. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. If we move on over to the screen, we can get quick access to navigation, traffic reports, Bluetooth, media, and radio. Put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We have heated seats on either side. And a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.